What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Luna Classic, which, excuse me, I wanted to do a quick update on the situation. Technically hasn't changed that much. I covered this in the weekend, so it's not been too long, but I did say I would keep you updated, so here we are. And right now, I mean, there's some, even though technically, and we'll still talk about that a little bit more in the video, of course, but even though technically the situation is still bearish at this point of time, it just is, there are some things which make me think that it is at least possible to get some sort of a rally soon. And if you're new to the channel, you know I'm not only saying that for the Luna Classic fanboys, I really think that, all right? I also called this rally right here, even though it was a very long time ago, or right here, I'm actually not sure. But right now, what you're seeing, just to talk about that briefly before getting into the rest of the video, is that there's a lot of proposals right now on the USDC repack proposal and a USDC stable algo quant team, which last time around when we had a proposal on this, it actually caused some price movements. And this proposal right here is not really worth anything. But it can still cause a bit of hype. It's not a realistic proposal, and if you disagree with me on that, I'd be happy to explain why. I also did that in the last video, but this one could cause some bullish momentum, and it also looks likely that it will pass. All right, so that's the main thing, or that's the main reason why I think it's possible, at least, to have a rally. But we'll talk about that. Before we dive into that, though, I do want to mention that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals, and you have other amazing perks to actually become a better and more profitable trader. So if you want to join that, check out the links down in the description or go to cilinix.com. But for now, let's actually get into Luna Classic. So like I said, the technical situation hasn't really changed. Our main support level right here is 6100. Perhaps you should drag that all the way down to 6000 and you have a bit of support right here. But overall, as most of you can probably see, the general trend is down. Luna Classic is respecting resistance levels, is respecting the downtrend by finding resistance at the 28 and the 50 EMA. So at this point of time, especially with a Bitcoin that's not that strong, the most likely scenario just is that 6100 and 6000 at some point of time will break, and that Luna Classic will drop down at least to 5500. That's the next support level. I'd say the strongest support level is around 5000, but let's just take the next psychological support level as support for now. So this looks like the most likely scenario. All right, so then the main question is, and that's also the most difficult question to answer, is how can we actually identify if and when Luna Classic gets some sort of a rally? And I would say the main way to identify that is by waiting for confirmation. Like at this point of time, if Luna Classic is actually able to break above, let's say 6400, so if we see a move like this, and then at the same point of time we also see volume increasing, because for Luna Classic volume is very important. Volume right now is actually has gone up quite a bit, but it's still quite low compared to the last month. So if volume increases to, let's say 30 or 25 million, while also getting a technical break above 6400, that could actually be confirmation that at least some short-term bullish momentum is brewing up towards 6800 and perhaps even 6900. And then from there we'll see again. I mean, frankly, if Luna Classic shows some bullish momentum, I'll be the first to make a video, all right? But some sort of a bullish breakout like that, together with increasing volume, is the main way to actually spot when and if Luna Classic gets a rally. Until that happens, it's going to be bearish, all right? And 5500 is still the price target and the most likely scenario. So that's my take on Luna Classic for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.